If HandBrake is showing an error reading the nav packet, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by copy protection, fake DVD menus, confusing navigation data, or even a damaged sector on the disk. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to get past that error and keep your RIP or transcode moving forward. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical software fixes just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. On certain DVDs, especially protected discs from major studios, the navigation data can be intentionally confusing. That is exactly why the nav packet error happens in the first place. Instead of reading the actual movie title correctly, HandBrake gets stuck trying to interpret broken, fake, or looping menu data. So the goal here is to make HandBrake stop depending so heavily on that navigation structure and give it a cleaner path to read the disk. The first fix is to change the way HandBrake reads the disk. Open HandBrake, then go to Tools, then Preferences, and look for the advanced settings. If you see the option to disable LibDVDNav and use LibDVDRead instead, turn that on. This is an important step because LibDVDNav is designed to follow DVD menus and navigation structures, but that can become a problem when the disk is protected or poorly authored. LibDVDRead is more direct. It focuses on reading the raw content instead of trying to follow every menu path, which makes it much more forgiving when a disk has bad navigation data. After switching that setting, go back and try to rescan the disk. In many cases, that alone is enough to get HandBrake moving again. If the scan now works, look carefully at the title list and manually select the title with the longest duration, since that is usually the actual movie or main video content. This is one of the easiest ways to avoid getting tricked by copy protection or fake titles. If HandBrake still throws the same NAV packet error after that, then the next best solution is to use MakeMKV first. Open MakeMKV, load the disk, and let it create a clean MKV copy of the DVD to your internal storage. Once that file is saved, open the new MKV in HandBrake and do your transcoding from there. This works because MakeMKV has already handled the disk protection and navigation issues, so HandBrake no longer has to deal with the Navi packet problem directly. From there, you can choose your preset, adjust your quality settings, and compress or convert the video normally without fighting the DVD structure. This two-step method is often the best fix for discs that give HandBrake trouble, especially older DVDs, studio releases, and discs that use looping protection. In many cases, this is much more reliable than trying to force HandBrake to scan the disk over and over again and hoping for a different result. When it comes to encryption and tricky disk handling, MakeMKV is often the better first step. It handles the handshake with encrypted disks much better than relying on HandBrake alone. That is why so many users pair MakeMKV with HandBrake. MakeMKV to get the clean source file and HandBrake to compress or convert it afterward. So to quickly recap, if you get an error reading NAV packet in HandBrake, first try disabling LibDVDNav and using LibDVDRead instead. Then manually choose the longest title if the scan is still confusing. And if that still does not solve it, rip the disk with MakeMKV first, then open the MKV in HandBrake and continue from there. If this video saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.